Well, this is take 2 on this style because I just tried something and it just went nowhere, so I'm gonna try it again. I've covered, there was a little bit of wet paint, so after covering the base with some white paint, some of the wet paint mixed up a bit, but that's okay. It won't stop me from sleeping tonight. So as you can see, my surface is a bit messy because I ended up just scraping the paint off. I really didn't like it where I was going. So I'm going to keep going with those colors, purple, magenta and turquoise and some white, a bit left over. And this time I'm going to go for some kind of a Dutch pour, I guess. Let's do quite a bit of paint in the center, let's go with the turquoise next. So my paints have 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, 1 part craft glue and water to consistency where needed. And a bit of the white around, if I even have enough. We don't have much left at all. This may be mixed results. We shall see, huh? Let's just put the rest of it in here, just in case it ends up a little too dark. Rather put more white than not enough. Too much white. Anyway, you get what I'm saying. Okay, let's go this. Okay, this time I try to really cover my whole surface without overdoing it with the hairdryer. It's so easy to do. And I see some kind of poo in the middle here. Fortunately, it's off now. This should mix up okay and not being too noticeable, I hope. Let's cover it up, pretend you didn't see that, alright? Okay, let's blow on it a little bit, but before that, a bit of a torching. Get some of those tiny white little cells coming up that I love so much, that some people actually don't like. I do. I'm going to blow a little bit down this corner. Reveal some of the white underneath. That's Elliot saying hello. A bit more this way. Cover that corner. I'll blow on it a bit harder. Wouldn't mind bringing some of that white back from underneath. blowing quite hard just to make sure I get all the way to the bottom where the white is on my base. I'm mostly going around the main section, I guess. Let's just torch that again. I think I see another poo. I like those sort of lines that I created. That's cool. A bit more this way. Turn this around, it'll be much easier, I think. An explosion in the center. Apologize if all you see is the back of my head. Okay, I think I'm almost there. Just a bit more here. Okay. That's cool, I think. One last torch. Some areas are still looking pretty thick, but there is a little detail that's quite subtle there, and I'm happy with that. I am not aiming for huge cells or anything like that. They come up great, but in this case, it's a small surface anyway, so you don't want huge cells, not in my opinion, but I do love that tiny detail and how the paint is kind of mixing together, giving you sort of a galaxy effect. Now the only thing I don't like so much is this section here. It's a bit too much of white, a white blob. Let's see what we can do. Disguise it a little bit. Maybe not. I'm going to use my straw just to get closer. That's better. I'll take care of my edges off camera, but in the meantime, I'll bring you down for a quick close-up. There you go. See all these little white areas, that lacing there? I think that's beautiful. I really love how subtle it is, and I apologize for being all shaky. Trying to stay as still as I can. Love those little blue bubbles coming up in the pink. And how we've got those really feathery edges here, with the purple mixing into the white. Very cool. Okay, this is it guys. I hope that you'd enjoyed this little process video. Please give me a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it and that you want more videos like these. See you in the next video. Bye.